Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Baseball King 32177. I can't solve an entire side of a Rubik's Cube. Alright, I'm going to see how long it takes me to solve one side of a Rubik's Cube. I have my stopwatch. You can't see the cube. It's a 3x3, just a normal 3x3. I have it mixed up. I'm going to solve a white side. I'm going to go solve the white side. And you guys will only be able to see the stopwatch. I will stop the stopwatch when I'm done. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. And I'm going to go for the white side. And I'm not going to be talking. Done and done. Minute 05. I don't think it was that bad. Now, we're going to do it again and see if I can beat it. First, I'm going to scramble the cube. You might hear the Rubik's Cube noise in the background. And it's all mixed up, same side. And let's reset it and go. Here we go. You might be able to hear the Rubik's Cube noise in the background. Maybe not, I'm not too sure. Can't check right now. Anyway, guys, I'm filming this video at 10 o'clock at night, maybe a little later. But if you're watching this in the daytime, I hope you guys have a great day and a Merry Christmas. I hope I'm going to have a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. And I'm almost there. Boom, boom. I'm kind of stuck now. But I think I could work out of it. Yeah, I already lost. The first time I did a lot better. I'm really stuck now. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to be able to get myself out of this one, but I think I just did. Yeah, I really think I just got myself out of this one. I didn't yet, but I think I did here. No, I didn't. Wow. Surprised, actually. Not do it. No, I missed it. You kidding me? You have so got to be kidding me. I got it. Right there, 240.79. Not my best in the world. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see what let me just check what time it is. Oh, I didn't really do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to timer. I'm gonna set the clock for 1 minute. I'm gonna scramble up the cube. I'm gonna see if I can get it in 1 minute. You can really hear it now, but the cube like 6 inches from the screen. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I have to do this quick if I'm gonna get it. Quick and agile. I'm stuck now. No, I couldn't do it. Dang it. I was so close. I was so close. Let me exit out of here and I'll get onto my camera. You do not know how close that was. Look. Sorry, I can't do it. It won't let me do it because I have my dual screen recorder on. But look at that. So close. I just don't know how I couldn't get that last one. The white was down here. That's really close. I almost saw the red side on with it. Just so close. And yeah, that'll wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And also if you want to see more conduct on my channel. And goodbye.